In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in. Head over to the Monday.com website. It's important to ensure that you're logged into your account so you can access your dashboard properly. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your starting point. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to open the Creation menu. Look towards the left sidebar of your dashboard. There you'll see a plus sign, which is represented by a little icon. Go ahead and click that. This action will unveil a variety of options for you to explore. Next, we need to access the Template Center. From the list that appears once you click the plus icon, you'll find the option for Template Center. Click on that, and it will lead you to a treasure trove of templates tailored for various functions. Now, here's where we focus specifically on human resources. In the Template Center, look at the left sidebar again. You should see a category list. Find and select HR. This simple step will filter the available templates, displaying all those specifically designed for the HR function. Take a moment to browse through the options. Look for the Employee Onboarding template, as this is a highly sought-after tool for HR tasks. If this template suits your current need, go ahead and click on it to view the details. It's a great option, but feel free to explore other HR templates if you feel they might align better with your requirements. After you've selected the template you'd like to use, now is the time to install it. Simply click on the Use Template button. Depending on your connection speed, you may need to wait just a moment for Monday.com to work its magic and load the pre-configured board into your workspace. Once everything is loaded, you can finally start customizing your board. This is where you make the tool fit perfectly for your organization's specific needs. Start by adding new columns for any data that's crucial for your HR processes. For instance, you might want to track equipment distribution or include document links pertinent to each employee. Another crucial aspect to customize is the statuses. Take a moment to adjust the statuses available so they align with your internal work phases. This means reflecting exactly how you track employees in different stages of their onboarding process, ensuring clarity and consistency for your team. Lastly, input the employee details. This action is essential to begin tracking their onboarding progress right away. You can include key information such as names, start dates, and any additional notes that will help streamline their integration into your company. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently set up and utilize Monday.com for your HR needs, enhancing your processes and ensuring a smooth onboarding experience for your new hires. Thanks for watching.